babies, welcome back to my channel. Of course, if you are new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. As you guys can see from the title, today is actually going to be more of a relaxing video. I'm actually just going to be showing you the process of cutting my boyfriend's hair. If you don't know, he's actually been featured on the channel before, where I did a couple of videos showing you how I kind of maintain his hair by using like box braids and all that stuff. So if you're looking for some quick styles, definitely be sure to check that out. Obviously, I am starting off with just freshly washed hair. I did actually use the, I believe it was the Design Essentials shampoo and conditioner. We use a deep leave-in conditioner as well, just to really kind of hydrate his hair, and it's really grown out over time. So what I'm doing now is just sectioning everything off into 4. I did go ahead and apply just a heat protectant as well, because I am, instead of like just blowing it out and doing a trim, I really wanted to pinpoint each and every single hair just to make sure that everything is as even as possible. So you guys are going to get a little silk press action today, okay? I know you guys are loving that because his texture is just so soft and like luxurious. So what I am doing now is just going through with my blow dryer. I'm using the FHI heat dryer just to quickly go throughout the hair, and I absolutely love this product. It cuts through the bulk of the hair really quickly and gets everything as dry as possible. And I like to just use the tension method to really just kind of stretch out the hair. That way I'm not having to do as much work with the hot comb. Or not the hot comb, but with the flat iron in the future. So you guys can see just how easy that was. Going throughout the remaining of the hair, of course, if you are not one of those people that, feel that it's necessary to kind of like straighten your hair in order to get the trim, obviously skip the silk press, but this is just what I'm doing today. So already straight out of the gate, I knew that he needed a trim. It had been literally, y'all, shame on me, right? It had been almost a year, or yeah, I think it was about a year, maybe a year and a half since his last trim, which I actually posted on the channel as well. And so typically he wears like a lot of ponytails. Usually it's like a low ponytail, a high bun, or every now and then his hair is in the braids. But because of that, there is some breakage in the middle. So you guys will see where like the center of his hair is a little bit shorter than the sides. And we're just going to make sure that we even that out today. So I'm not going to do too much more talking because I feel like it is kind of self-explanatory, but you guys will see exactly what it is and how we transitioned his hair. So leave any comments or questions down below. Of course, I love you guys so much. He definitely appreciates the support on his other videos as well. So continue to do that. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you later.